Okay, so in order to install a packet manager like Pikaur on your Arch-based distro, what you want to do is first of all to upgrade your system like this with pacman CU, and if there is nothing to do, then you're good to go. Otherwise, just wait for the upgrade and let it finish. Other than that, you want to type in the following commands. In sudo pacman s needed base-devel git. So as always, what happens here, well, other than asking you if which repository core you want, you can just go with the default. So yeah, proceed with the installation. And I was saying that in this case, what's happening is that the base-devel and the git packages will be installed on your system. Now that being said, the git package that we have just installed, we're gonna use like this with git clone, and then copy this this link. I will write in the descriptions of this video. And now it's cloning it. It's taking it from the GitHub and put it on your system. So what you have right now should be a folder called Pikaur like this, and this is the command to say it. And now we want to move from the terminal into this folder. So to do that, we want to do Pikaur cd Pikaur, and now you want to make the package with this, with makepkg minus fsri. Okay, and you should be done, right? Like just like this. It's really easy. Now the make package command that we have just launched will in fact build the package, the entire software we have installed and installed in our system. That's all there is to it. It will launch actually a bunch of commands. It's like a sort of script. But now, just to confirm that you do have Pikaur installed, you want to write in your terminal Pikaur minus h, which stays for help, sorry. And just like this, you should prompt you like some of the commands that are available on Pikaur. Now, if you want to, well, first of all, there is like the important command, which is Pikaur to upgrade packages that you have installed with Pikaur. It is Pikaur itself. I'm not sure. And if you want to uninstall Pikaur, all you have to do is to delete the folder of Pikaur. So with ls, you can see the folders. Sorry. With ls, you can see the folders, and if you want to uninstall Pikaur, all you have to do is to delete this folder. And this is true for any git software that you will clone and install this way.